Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you guys are. So since we've been doing a lot of, trade recaps for the stock side of things, I thought, we'll put up a video for Forex guys so that you guys don't feel left out. So recently it's actually been a pretty good environment for Forex trading, and don't take that lightly. I actually mean it because before that, October, November, December, during the whole election scenario, trading was a little bit tough, right? Because of all this election, a lot of uncertainty, currencies weren't moving cleanly. They were moving a bit more, choppily, so to speak. But recently the trading has got back good again, and we're back into profit. We're doing amazingly well, just literally killing it. I think I'm on, again, I don't want to say it clearly because I haven't counted, but I think I'm on a 30 trade winning streak. Right, maybe even more, 30 or 40 trade winning streak, and which is unusual. Let me say that, because if somebody else told me, oh, I have 30-40% winning trades in a row, I would say bullshit, you're lying. And but it's happened, and it's unlikely. It's never happened before. It's kind of been a good month. I've been right on the direction, and really it's not really been that I've been right on a bunch of trades, because they're basically the same pairs that I've been trading: the Euro, Pound, Pound USD, USD CAD. So it's pretty much the same pairs, a bunch of different trades on the same pair. So nothing really changed at that point, but trading's been really good. And here's one of the trades. As you guys can see, you can already see my executions marked on the chart. So this was a trade that we did in our Forex service. We got short this cable Pound USD right here. It went down, we covered it, then it looked like it's going to go lower again. We ended up shorting it yet again. It dropped, we got out, we covered it again, and then it looked like to me, well, maybe it's not yet bottom, maybe it wants to go even more lower. So what I ended up doing was I ended up shorting it again, and this morning covering it again when it looked like it's a double bottom. And frankly, I don't know if it's done yet. I don't know if it's done going down yet. So we had 3 good trades on it, all 3 shorts, work extremely well. I'm not sure if it's done going down yet. So what I'm actually doing is I'm looking for a rally. Again, I'm not 100% if I'm going to be doing it, but I'm interested in shorting a rally, maybe back into this area, and then expect this to maybe be a lower high somewhere here, and then maybe continue back lower. So again, just watching it for now, not a trade. Another good trades we've had is the same thing, Euro Pound. I mean, this trade's been amazing, right? So we got in long here, as you guys can see. We rode it all the way up, got out here, and then we got back in again. The very next day, I thought, well, same thing. It looks like it's not done yet. It popped up, we got out, then we got back in again last night. This morning it popped up, we got out. So again, really good trades in a row on the Euro Pound. And even the USD CAD, we had some really good trades on that. Let's recap. Where is the USD CAD? Actually, let's go to the USD CAD. We had some good trades on this too. Same thing. And I did kind of mess this trade up, if I'm perfectly honest. But again, same thing here on the USD CAD. We got in here, we got out there. Nice quick move, great trade on it. I did mess it up, because I thought it's maybe gonna pull back, but ended up consolidating and breaking out higher. So I did miss a move on this one. Didn't get back in on this like I did on the Euro Pound and the Pound USD, but nonetheless, nice trade on this USD CAD. We had some other good trades as well. Euro Jappy was a good one. USD Jappy, that was a good trade that we had. All sort of winning trades, and it's been really good trading overall recently, because it wasn't that easy always. And as you guys can see, this is my real account, of course, right? But what I wanted to go over with you guys is results of our students, because I see a lot of negativity online, right? Especially online, when people watch these videos or they read these posts, and when we're talking about good trades, there's a lot of haters online. There's a lot of naysayers who are just negative people, and I feel for them. I feel bad for them, right? Maybe they had a bad experience with Forex. Maybe they had a bad experience with trading. Maybe they were not able to make money. Maybe they were scammed by another trading educator, and they're like, man, trading is a scam, everything's a scam, and there's just so many negative people. So what I wanted to do for these negative people is to just show you, that this is real, right? This is my real account. You don't see demo written anywhere, right? And forget even that. Let's go with our results from my FX book, because that's what people believe. So instead of taking a screenshot I'm actually on my FX book, as you guys can see here, right? My FX book, right? That's the website I'm on. And this is one of my portfolios where we made, first of all, you know, before we even go to the portfolio, track record verified, okay? Trading privileges verified. What does that mean? Let's even go over here. Track record is verified after comparing the data to data company coming directly from the broker, okay? Trading privileges verified. Basically, that means that I've taken these trades myself. You know, it's not a robot or anything. You guys can see here manual, which again means it's not a robot. I'm taking it myself. It's a real account. That's obviously good to know. And the Pepperstone, my broker, right? Pepperstone, my broker, as you guys can see here, same account. So that's the account here. Again, we had a little bit drawdown, but overall you can see we made 78% just in a few months. Nice upward sloping, you know, trend. The win rate 77%, short win rate 73%. Monthly gain. So June I made 2.8%, July I made 15.5%, August I made 20.8%, September I made 33.3%. That was a great month. October I lost 6% here. I actually lost more than that, and I'm gonna go over it. So I lost 6% in October. So this is a different account which I created specifically for the students. So this account is the exact same as my other account, but what this account is, it's with a smaller amount to show our members that you can even trade with a small account and grow it into a big one. Again, same thing here. You guys can see verified, verified, blah, 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 blah. You know, all that shit. And then we're up still 43% in just a few months. So let's go over that. Okay, let's go over that. So you guys can see here 2016. Lost 1.49%. October, November, I made 9.9%. December, as I said, election was a little bit tougher for me. Lost 8.5%. In 2017, so far, Jan I made 8%, Feb I made 10%, and March so far has been on a fire start at 20%. So it's been great overall. So again, if you do the math here, you know, 43%. I'm not even going to include the decimals. 43%. The last account was 78%. So if you combine, you're up 121% since June, right? And again, I've showed you this is my FX book, verification, all that. But forget about it. Forget about me, because it doesn't matter what I made, right? It doesn't matter at all, because what I make or what I don't make is not gonna feed your kids. It's not gonna feed your Lamborghini. It's not gonna feed your house, right? You can't pay your bills with my P&L. So forget about me for a second. Okay, let's go over the emails that I got. So this person, right, she is on my trade copier. The trade copier basically means that, you know, trade copier basically means that they don't have to trade. Their account's connected to my account, and my trades, whatever I take, get copied on their account. So she emailed me, "You've been nailing it, awesome job, thank you." Now, this email could be made up, right? That's what the haters or online negative people would say. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. I'm gonna log in here real quick to my FX choice, which is where I can see my clients, you know, account. I don't have access to their accounts, but I can see, you know, what they made or what they haven't made. That's all I can see, but I don't have access to their money on their account. Let's type in Kelly. Now you can see here, she has a live account, okay? She has a demo too, but she has a live account. Let's click on that. I hope she doesn't mind, actually. So you see here, she funded the account on September 27th with 3,000 Canadian dollars. Then she funded it again in October 20th with $11,000. Okay? So October she funded with $11,000. Her account is at $26,000 balance. That's real money. That's a real account. Okay? But maybe, as the haters would say, maybe I still found a way to trick them. You know, that's what people think. Check this email, this message out from a person in our trading room. He's not in the copier, but he's been following me since July via the Twitter. He takes about 95% of my trades, right? His balance is up 120%, which is exactly what I said. And the equity balance is up 220%. Okay? 220%. Does that make sense? Okay, so yeah, as you guys can see here, he has a live account. Okay, live account. He funded the account on August 26th with $15,000. Right now, he has $26,000 in his account. These are all real trades that I made. Profit, 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 profit. I mean, again, it's been a good month because usually you will see losers in here. And I'm pretty sure maybe next week we have some losers, but so far it's been a great run. And hopefully for all those people who, you know, doubt trading, maybe this, you know, shows you a little bit on how things work. And by the way, while I'm at it, maybe I have some time right now, so maybe just I'll answer an email. Alright, so I'm just gonna write her an email, tell her that once she doubles her account, I'd like a testimonial. Okay. So, you know, just kind of replying to emails and stuff. And hopefully for those of you who are still on the sidelines, again, this is not, you know, this is not going to make you a billionaire, right? And that's the thing about live traders is we're not telling you unrealistic expectations like a lot of other places, right? A lot of other places will tell you, oh, we have a 98% win rate, right? 99% win rate. Or come trade penny stocks with us, you're gonna become a millionaire. Or some other idiot I saw recently who said, come trade Forex with me, you know, he'll make you $1 million with a 98% batting average. And those people have created such a bad reputation for the trading industry, which is, you know, frankly saddening that they've just created that I guess persona about trading. And you know, I don't want to mention any names, but you know who I'm talking about, right? So again, I just want to sum up with saying trading, making money in trading is 100% possible, as you guys saw. We do this day in and day out, been doing it for years, right? You just have to have realistic expectations, okay? You cannot expect to come in with a freaking $5,000 account and become a millionaire overnight. It doesn't work like that. Trading does not work like that, okay? You guys can see I had these nice up months, but I've had down month. I've had a down month, right? I don't win most of the time. In this account, I've only won 63 to 65%, okay? I won 75 out of 115 trades on the short side. 55 out of 86 I won. So what does that mean? I've lost the rest. It happens. Let's go over the other account, the one that I was showing you earlier. I have to go to my history now, browsing history. Hold on. So let's go over, where's the other one? There you go, this one. So let's go over this account, all right? In this one, I had 77% win rate, which is good. But again, you guys can see I've had the winning months, but I had a down month. These things do happen, okay? You just have to realize that. And I'm sick and tired of freaking negative people online that don't know what the heck they're talking about. And they come in and try and pretend they know something. I mean, literally, Donald Trump should freaking, you know, deport all these demo traders that exist. They just create a bad reputation for the industry, and hopefully I turned some haters into believers, and if I did not, then that's not my fault, that's yours, you know. And the video is not what you need. You probably need a therapist, okay? Because I'm frankly tired of these people, and yeah, that's about it. Take care, everybody.